The go-to feature jumps your chart to any specific point in history instantly. No more dragging or scrolling for minutes, and here's how to use it. Head over to the bottom of your chart and then click on the icon that looks like a calendar. It's right next to the time frame selector. Once you click on it, it'll give you an option to look at a date or a custom range. Let's head back to date. Let's say that we want to look at historical events. This tool is awesome to study historical events. For example, let's look at 2008 to see how Apple is reacting during the financial crisis. Awesome, now we can get an overview of how Apple was reacting during the 2008 financial crisis, and it even labels the exact candle, since we're on the daily, the exact day as well, that we selected on our chart. Combine this with the bar replay tool up top to play forward from the exact date as if you were watching it live. But other than that, have a great day, guys.